So Rob, thank you for joining the BIM Day Out, and do you want to just say a little bit about yourself, your company of course, Aconex, and BIM?
Okay, I'm Rob Phillpot, I'm one of the co-founders of Aconex. I head up the product team, and at Aconex we provide cloud-based collaboration solutions for construction and engineering projects, and part of that is managing information, which includes information that comes out of the BIM process, and we've been managing model data and information around that for quite a long time now, and our evolution is evolving from very much file management into object management within the models.
Have you, with that interest, have you attended other BIM events in the past?
I have. I've been to a number of conferences, spoke at some of them. We've got some coming up, one next week, the AMCA BIM Oz conference I'm speaking at next week. Building Japan Live later in the year, but it's great to come along to Perth.
Fantastic. And is this conference different in any way, or what made you think of getting involved?
Apart from your emails.
No. Good answer.
No, it's actually got a good mix of people that have got really practical deployments of BIM projects. It's not so much what's gonna, it's about what is, and I found it a really practical way to see what's been going on.
And what do the attendees, what have they taken away from your presentation, do you think?
Well, I hope what they took away was where we're heading, and for me that kind of the crux of that is away from file management to model to object management, and trying to bring together the two different parties, which are the kind of the authors doing design coordination in the native software, and the rest of the project team consuming and contributing and enriching the IFC data, bringing those two teams together so that they can actually share a common data set and interact with each other a little bit more seamlessly.
Just slightly off topic, you mentioned IFC, which is an interest of mine and
yes.
a few of the presentations.
Yep.
Is that where you see Aconex sitting in a BIM world, in more of an open system?
We've certainly got BIM behind the scenes in some of our structures. Our view is that the authors in the authoring tool can contribute whatever they want. They can put that up, and people can then suck down Kobe or IFC, but we certainly have to support that standard. In fact, I'm missing out on the IFC 4 presentation just now, which is a shame, but which I would have liked to have gone to. But IFC is. I mean, you have to make it. If you're bringing together differing data sets, you have to choose a format that you're going to store it in, whatever, be a proprietary format or an open format. So to us, IFC seems like a natural thing to choose.
Excellent. Any other presentations apart from the one that we're going to run on to in a second that you're looking forward to, or you've seen that you've been interested in?
Well, mine, of course. But no, the IFC 4 one was the key one that I was actually looking forward to going to. But
we can get it repeated for you. It's all right. We know John. Yeah,
good.
It's good.
Excellent.
And the last question, to keeping on with the theme, is what was the last concert you went to?
It was Pink Floyd. Roger Waters' The Wall. Saw him a few months ago, and it was fantastic.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for getting along and coming all the way over to Perth for the BIM Day Out, and Aconex getting involved. So we'll see you at the next one.
Thank you.